All right, everyone. Now what I'm going to show you is for a lot of handles or for certain little intricate pieces you might be making, there's a reason that you might want to use a special tool called the oscillating spindle sander. So it's a round cylinder, goes up and down while it's sanding. And I'm going to start on the bandsaw because whenever you're doing something where you're going to sand, you want to get as much off as you can quickly. All right, so what I've done here is I kind of on purpose was cutting close to this line, and sometimes I cut and I left some extra that I still need to get off. Other times I was right on the line. It's pretty good. So when you use a spindle sander, this is not to take off a lot of material, but that is what I see most kids doing, and they're grinding it in and you're gumming up the sandpaper, and that's not good. So what you're gonna do is you're just using this when you're just touch sanding. So with this line that's almost perfect, all I'm gonna do is get off that rough spot. And since it's spinning clockwise, it's gonna wanna pull the material away from you. It's not gonna rip it out of your hand, but you have to have a firm grip. And you just barely keep one continuous motion. And now that's pretty smooth. Here though, where I have this big line, I have to get close to that line, and that's too much. I'm gonna sand through all that wood when I could just as easily cut more of it off. So on this side, you can see I'm very close to my line. And if I just wanna take the whole line off, you can see how I'm getting right next to the line there. And I'm just taking little pieces off at a time. What happens is a lot of kids will use this and they'll push too hard and not go consistent, and you create like a little scallop in your wood like this. Oh no, now see that piece is down. It's I pushed too hard right there. So that's why you have to keep the continuous motion and just do little passes. And by using that, you can get a smooth curved edge, but again, you want to take most of it out, and that would not be acceptable. That's taking off too much material. So you get close with the saw, you bring it over here and just light little touches. That's it.